Choices, choices, choices. Break the rules and live your dreams. Here's how. Choices can change your life. My thinking, the idea of working hard at a job that you don't like, exchanging your time for money, day in, day out, year after year, and deferring life until old age, well, it stinks. You don't want to look in the mirror in the morning and say, I hate my life, but 10 years from now, my life will be great. Nope. Choices. If you want to live your dream, you must break the rules. For many people, living in Maine might be their dream. And it was way back when I moved up there. Maine and the people, the folks that live there, Mainers, are wonderful. But somehow I was hopelessly lost in the work, eat, work, sleep, work rat race. Me in my 40s and dealing with the same problems and concerns that we all deal with, like you're dealing with at this time in our lives. So in March of 2005, up there in Maine with snow still on the ground, I had my aha moment. Sick and tired of living in neutral, treading water, and going nowhere. I asked myself, what the heck am I doing? Time to break the rules. From that moment, I was consumed with the need to do something different with my life. I was going to live happy and fun-loving and carefree. So we decided to sell, give away, and throw out all of our material possessions. Buy a boat, move aboard, spend a year outfitting for cruising, and leave for the shores unknown, living life on a sailboat. Long story short, we lived aboard our sailboat full-time for 9 years. And we smiled every time someone said, "You're so lucky to live on a boat. I wish we could do that." Because you can. It's a choice. It's breaking the rules. And after 9 years, we made another choice. We decided to break the rules again. Today, we are living full-time on our 5-acre homestead. The life on a sailboat dream came to an end, and today we're living our self-sufficient, self-reliant, happy, fun-loving, and carefree life here on our homestead. So, what should you do? Make a choice. Break the rules. The idea of you working hard at a job that you don't like, exchanging your time for money, day in and day out, year after year, and deferring your life until old age, it doesn't have to be that way. Start now, start today, because the time, it's never gonna be perfect. One of my favorite sayings is, most people will remain the same until the pain of staying the same exceeds the pain of changing. You know changing will be better, but you resist changing. How many times have you said, I should have done that a long time ago? Each morning, when you get out of bed, you choose. You make a choice how to live your life. We get few opportunities to live the life of our dreams. Most of us keep deferring life, dreaming of the day that we'll have the time, the day we retire, the day that we have enough money. Don't let that be you. Life's choices. Live your dream by breaking the rules. If you have a friend that's having a dream, maybe living self-sufficient in the country on a homestead with chickens, please share this video with them. If you have any questions, ask. We truly want you to succeed. We want you to pursue your self-sufficient life dreams. We want you living happy, living fun-loving, and living carefree. Live life doing it yourself. With chickens.